Today we're installing this gorgeous Ken and Ricky light fixture. It's incredibly versatile and easy to install. It came really well packaged and secure, so I was immediately impressed by that. But removing it from the box to really highlight the brushed gold finish was the icing on the cake. The gold finish is one that's really universal. Our house has a lot of gold accents right now, and this can go with anything. If you've tried to match up different gold products in your house before, you know it can be difficult with 1,000 shades of gold, but this can really match just about any shade of that gold or bronze that you have. Your first step to installing any light fixture is to kill the power to the area you'll be working. Test it with a non-contact voltage meter just to be sure, and then proceed to uninstall or install your new fixtures. Removing the wires is as easy as turning the wire nuts or wire caps counterclockwise to loosen them, and they should separate from the 3 wires protruding from the wall pretty easily. Keep in mind, this is the exact opposite process of installing the new light. So this fixture comes with 2 mounting screws that we'll remove, as well as the mounting bracket. My light already has a bracket, but we're going to swap it out with the new one because of the small lipped brackets on top of the new light fixture that this will screw into. Otherwise, it's possible you wouldn't need to switch this piece at all. After we get the new bracket in position, we want to make sure that it's level. I'm using the small one here, but really this step is optional. You can typically eyeball this after it's installed, and this fixture does allow you to make micro adjustments. But once this is in place, I realize there's a big gap between the hole in the wall and the lighting box. So to cover that up, I get some spackle, a sanding sponge, and paint to fill this in. Keep in mind, covering this is only cosmetic, so it doesn't have to be perfect. If you can match the texture, great, but if not, no one will really even notice. Once that's looking good, it's time to wire the new fixture. They come pre-labeled, but this is as easy as it gets, folks. The black gets wired to the black, the white to the white, and the copper, which is the ground, to the copper wire. You can also attach that to the green screw you see there on your bracket if you don't have a ground wire coming from your wall. And the wires simply get placed directly next to each other, and then the wire nut is placed over them and screwed on tightly. That's it. This will give you a secure connection, and nothing fancier needs to be done here. You'll do it for all 3. Then you'll tuck all 3 into the junction box behind the bracket. Because there's a wall immediately to the right of this fixture, I have to go ahead and install the light bulb in the glass dome. I recommend using a microfiber towel to install the glass piece because it is a little tricky to wipe clean once it's installed. There's also an adjustable ring that can move out or back, so you can adjust the length of the glass piece if you want to, which I thought was really cool. So if you have a light bulb that's slightly longer and you want the glass piece to extend past that light bulb, you can twist that ring a little bit outwards, and that will secure the glass dome and give you that extra length that you need. But once I get that into place, I screw in the top and bottom gold screws to secure it into the bracket. Now, my apologies, I didn't video screwing in the top one, but by now, hopefully you get the idea. Once you do this, both sides are ready to go, and this is what it looks like horizontal. You can install them from the ceiling, vertically, horizontally. They truly are really versatile. They take an 8.5-inch T185 light bulb, which I think is beautiful, and they're really unique. You can get these on Amazon, and they are sold separately, but in any event, that is it. It is incredibly easy to install. They look fantastic, and if you're in the market for some sort of brushed gold fixture, give this one a shot. I'm really impressed with the quality as well as the looks and the beauty of it. As you can see, it goes really well in our bathroom. So with that said, I really hope this is helpful. Please reach out anytime with questions or concerns. And as always, have a wonderful day.